In this video, I'll show you how to log out of DeepSeek. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. First, open the DeepSeek app on your device. Once the app is loaded and you're inside, you need to locate the icon with 2 dashes, which can be found in the top left corner of the screen. When you tap on the 2-dash icon, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. At the bottom of this pop-up menu, you'll notice your profile email address displayed. To continue, tap on the profile email. This action will direct you to the profile section of the app, where you'll find various options related to your account settings. In this section, look for the option labeled Log Out. Once you see it, tap on it, and a confirmation message will pop up on your screen asking if you're sure you want to log out. To confirm, simply tap Log Out again. After this, your DeepSeek account will be logged out, and you'll be returned to the app's login screen. That's all there is to it. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.